Okay, thanks for coming. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about Google Collabs again, data visualization and analysis. So, in previously we talked about series, that how to use how to read data in series, and then today we're gonna talk about data characteristic in series. So first thing we need to do is okay, we go to Google Colab, and then we need to import Panda suddenly, and then what we need to do is loading data here, data frame, uh, okay, here I will write CSV data. If you have your own data like Excel or something else, you can use this. First thing, before we load, we need to upload the data. It's not uploaded yet, or I have wrong path maybe, so we will wait. And after we import, I will comment it. And the next thing we to do to know the characteristic of data, we need to explore the data. And okay, we try again. Data is load, and what we need to do is, for the explore data, is a simple function. I'm not so the all of function exists from Pandas. I will just 1, 2 or 3 function example. This example, I will comment this example is data frames for head, head. The head function is show your first 5 data. Okay, I'll comment this. Data. Okay, the example is the tail. If you have to show the last 5 data, head means first 5 data, and tail is means last 5 data. Okay, here 5 data. I will show you the file here. Okay, this is the diamond CSV example of diamond CSV data. You can see here, carat is means what is the type of mineral. So if you go here again, and then what next to do is we can get the info. It's info, basic info from the file. I will comment this, so not showing all. It's over. There's an information from the label that is have a type, have a counting maybe here, the card. If we show the data here, I will example. The card is type integer 64, and then card is object. We can try the function, so I'll comment this. And then what next? Maybe you can get the describe for the data frame. Oh, okay. We call this after we import the load the data, is we can name it data frame. So describe okay, describe is maybe a simple like a standard of deviation, main std, main max value from the label account, total data rows, and then we working and then explore data and working with series. So working with series means how we use the data, the specified data. We talk about column, and I will explain to you. We have a carat tab table price and XYZ. I will show you the specify column. Here data frame, I want to only call the card here, this frame start. Okay, the only card column, and then we can get information describe here. I want to show you only means, maybe main value from that thing, or we just want to see the max value here, or we can get main. Yeah, so another thing, working with series, and then the basic that you will need to know is how to filter and sort the data. First, filter data. Here I comment first. If you want to filter data, we talk about a column, so we need to specify what data you want to filter. So I mean data frame, what data frame we want to know. Just card again. I want to show the card with value upper than to 0.54. I mean, so data is also the data below upper to 0.4 here. If we up this, will not show anything. It's so, yeah, because we have a upper than 1. If you what is exists data, yeah, the card here and then this is a filter. We need to sort data equal to data frame, and we need to sort value here, a function. We need to specify what column we want to sort, and then caret again, and then what the type of scanning sort, ascending or descending. I want to just ascending is set true, and then we print the data. Here we comment this first. Sorry, this. So we need to compare with the old data, maybe data frame. So we can show card here, ideal card, ideal. Yeah, it's we change to the scanning here. I mean, I don't know. Scanning, we need to let me just say scanning false. So if we set false, that's mean test scanning. Let's work. And then what you need to do is, after filtering or sorting, we need to know how to grouping a data and aggregating. I mean like a min, max, or standard deviation. Here is group data means we need to specify data group by. We need to specify what column we want to group. Group data is we need a cut data. Here we print data. Okay, run is a pandas object, so we need to specify what aggregating you need to do, means or something else from the data, the group main, or want to max data, we group data cut. So it's done. And then if you're working with data, I mean 100, a billion, or a million data is not always a good data. I mean, you need to handling missing data. So before we do that, I will upload missing data. I mean, in a couple data have a row without a value. So I'll upload means I change this to diamond missing data. So in the diamond missing data, we have a column that not have a value. I don't know, we should check in here. Just we check first the missing data, print def. Where the missing data? Here. At price Z has no value. So first thing we need to do is tell data and head data here in row 0. First thing to determine is has a missing data, we can use a function, not manually checking like this. So we need to check missing values from the is no sum. So in this function we check if data has a missing value, and we'll check every single label from the card to the Z. So in here the missing value is from Z field. So and then we need to handle this missing value, whether we manually input data or we clear the data. So we don't want bad data. So first thing we need to clean. F Trofna. So if we print here, we'll try. Okay, the data null is missing. After we clean data, we need we will check again. Has is no. So what the I have a typo here, so run again. Okay, in this we have missing values, and then we clean the missing values, so the value is not appear available again, and here we got 0 missing value. So the conclusion is if we working with data, Pandas data, we need know the characteristic of data. So a simple function that we should know from Pandas that will help out our project. So for now that's enough. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.